Hello everyone. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys the 10 commands which were very useful for me while I was working on Linux. So as you guys can see, this is the second version of the video, in the series of the 10 basic useful commands. So all the commands that are typed here will be available in my Git. I will throw you the link in the description of this video. I will also be attaching the video of the first video of this series in the end of this video. So let's dive in, guys. So I have a machine up and running, which is a CentOS version. So the first command that I'm going to show you all is a very famous one, which is ls. So that's going to list all the files of the directory that you are in. So I am in the location var/log. So when I give ls, so all the files that are in the directory is gonna show. So if you can see inside this var/log we have ordered all these files. So there's another version of this command which is to show us the hidden files. So what we can do is ls space -a. So we can see if, let's say, there are some hidden files, it will be shown only when we use this command. So the next command that I'm going to use is Mkdir. So what that means is make a directory. So to create a directory inside this directory, meaning that the location. So let's go Mkdir. Let's keep a name test. Okay, sorry, so it already exists. So let's go test1. So now let's try ls, and I believe we will have a test1. So a similar command like this. So the third command would be Rmdir. I believe most of you would have guessed it. So remove directory. So let's try to remove the test directory. Rmdir test. It's not empty. So okay, so it's not empty. So the test file has some file. So we can delete the test one. Go ahead and delete the test one. So in order to delete a folder, it must be empty. So now let's see less. Now there is no test one. So the next command is going to be touch. So before showing that, let's create a file. Let's say we want to create a file. Let's use nano sample.txt. Let's click enter. So as you guys can see here, the file name is sample.txt. So let's just don't want to type any contents inside it. Let's just exit. So now that we have exited it, let's see if there is the file there, ls. So if you guys can see, there is no sample.txt. So but we opened created a file, but why it is not showing? So the nano command has some limitations. So let's say if I'm opening a new file with the nano command, if I did not type any contents inside it, it's not going to get saved. So it's not going to be created here. So however, if we use touch, now I've used touch sample.txt. Well, let's just see ls. It's there, but there won't be any content inside it. Nano. See, there's no content inside it. Just exist. Now just see ls is there. So that's the command for you to create just an empty file. So let's just try to the next command that I'm going to show you guys is used for deleting the files. So which is rm. So remove sample.txt. So it's going to ask remove regular empty file sample.txt. You give s. you see ls, there's no sample.txt. So the next command which I'm going to show you guys is cp, which is used to copy a file from one place to another. So let's create a file. So just creating an empty file. So it's here. So let's go. So what I'm saying here is cp file name and then the location. So cp, take this file, copy this file and put it into this folder. So I believe this works. Yeah, now let's just go into the test folder. Now if you can see, oh, we don't have it. How come? Let's just go back. So yeah, so you're supposed to give the entire location, meaning that from the start var/log/test. It doesn't work even if you are in var/log and then you just give test, or maybe you should have not given this slash, but this is how it works. So let's just check that too, so that we have some clarity. Mkdir. Yeah, I believe it works. So the problem was that I gave a slash. So if you are in this var/log, you can just give the directory name and then you just can go there. And you can also give the entire file path where the file is there, you want to be copied, this is the file. So the next command is I'm going to show you guys is move. So there's two uses for this. One is to move a file, another one is to rename a file name. So let's say I am inside S folder, so there is zxz.txt. so now let's just try renaming it. So if you can see, I am just me.We move the file name, the old file name to the new file name. So all I have done is change this, rename this file name into new text. So let's try the move command and then try pushing it backward. So as you can see, I am inside S. I tried ls, but it's not showing the new because the new has been moved to this location. So let's go there. So as you can see, we have the new file in this folder. So the next would be, let's say the new .txt here is empty. So as you can see, it's empty, so it's an exit. So let's say you want to write some contents into the new .txt file. So this command is called as echo. So it can be used like most like the printf or a print statement in the programming languages, say C or Python. So let's just go echo. So I want this to be my contents of the file. In the file new.text, so I'm saying echo hello, my name is Orion. So let's just give an enter. So now let's just see into the text file. Hello, my name is Orion is added. So the next command is du. It's the command that is used to know the disk usage of the file in your system. So let's go a little bit back and a little bit back, give an ls. So as you can see, we have where's my cursor? Okay, we have a log file. Let's say we want to know the disk usage of log in the system. So let's just give log. So this is supposed to be like a disk usage of your log file, log folder. So inside log there's this folder and this folder. So this takes up 12 space and 512. So 512 twice. So this is something which gives you information about your disk usage of the files and the folders in your system. So the next command that I'm going to use is df /m. So this is to see the available disk space in each of the partition in your system. So let's just go df m, give an enter. So as you can see, the file system and these are each of the partitions in your system and what is the space allocated and what is available and how you have used it. So yes, so these are the 10 commands that I have found useful for this video. Catch you in another one. Bye bye everyone.